Welcome. Let's look at how to solve this challenge. We have a pair of boot plus a pair of boot plus pair of boot equals to 60. Then we have two men plus a pair of boot equals to 40. We have a bow tie plus bow tie plus a man equals 26. And we are asked to find the sum of a man with a bow tie and a pair of boots plus boot times a bow tie. So to solve this one, we have to look at this. So let's consider here. So assuming we make here as a pair of boots, then we also have this one as another pair of boots, this one another pair of boots, right? Then we represent the pair of boots as 2x, then represent here 2 as 2x, then we have here as 2x, right? Then we come to the man, the two men here. Let's consider the men as y, so that will give us 2y, and we've already stated that a pair of boot is considered as 2x, so equals to 40. Then we come and look at the both side. The both side, we have both side, we have another both side, so z, and we have z here, and the man is considered one man, we have here as x. So right, so we can write this one in a form of equation. So here this implies we have 2x plus 2x plus 2y, 2x again, equals to 60. Then we have here the man, which is 2y, we will consider as 2y plus 2x equals to 40. Then we have the final part, which is a both side considered as z, so we have here as z plus man, and the man is considered as y, which is equals to 26, right? So here we can call this one equation 1, call this one equation 2, and then call this one equation 3. So let's solve this equation. So we have this one, 2x plus 2x plus 2x equals to 60. So that will give us 6x equals to 60. Divide here by 6 and divide here by 6. So we get x equals to 10. Now let's look at the next equation. From equation 2, we are told that we have 2y plus 2x equals to 40, but we have solved for x and we got 10, so that will give us 2y plus 2 times 10 equals to 40. So here we have 2y plus 2 times 10 will give us 20 equals to 40. So we have 2y equals to 40 minus 20. So we have 2y equals to 20. So here we divide both sides by 2, here by 2, then we get y equals to 10. So we have found y, we have found x. So now let's look at the equation 3. So from the equation 3, we have z plus y equals to 26. But we have solved for y and we got 10. So that will give us z plus z to give us 2z plus y, which is giving us 10. So we have here as 10 equals to 26. So we have 2z equals to 26 minus 10. So we have 2z equals to 26 minus 10 will give us 16. Divide both sides by 2, so we here by 2, we get z equals to 8. So here we have found x equals to 10, y equals to 10, and z equals to 8. This is what we have for the values of x. Right, now let's come to the equation. The question is the man, so let's look at the man clearly. The man is wearing a bow tie with a pair of shoes, a pair of boots, plus one boot multiplied by bow tie. So the bow tie is considered as z, right? Let's go back and see, right? Bow tie is z, and the man is considered as what? Y, and the pair of is considered as what? X, so 2x. So we come here, the man that you are solving for here has a pair of what? Shoes. So pair of shoes for the man here, we have pair of shoes, so that will give us 2. The pair of shoes will give us 2x for the pair of shoes, plus the man is wearing bow tie, so the bow tie is considered as z, and the man himself is considered as y. So that is for the man here, so we'll put this one in brackets, plus a boot is considered as x multiplied by a bow tie, which is considered as what? Z. So now let's substitute in the values. So here we have 2 multiplied by x, which is 10, plus z, and z is equals to 8, plus, so z equals to 8, plus y, and the y is giving us what? 10. So in brackets, plus x is giving us 10 multiplied by z, which is giving us what? 8. So now let's add. So 2 times this will give us 20 rather, plus 8 plus 10, that will give us 18, bracket close, plus 8 times 10 will give us 80. So we have 20 plus 8 will give us 38, plus 80. So adding these two numbers, we have 118, that's 108. So therefore we state that, we conclude that the man with the bow tie and a pair of what? Boots plus boots multiplied by bow tie will give us 118. That is the solution. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.